Okay, in this chapter, we're looking at chapter 5, section 5. So again, that St. James heading. And then you have chapter 5, section 5. And then multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, you know this is review. You know you can do this. So we're going to plow right through and get just some examples done, and then you'll be ready to go for the next class. So here are some examples. If we have 3/5 times 1/2, and you know I don't use an x anymore for multiplication because that's a variable, so I'll choose a dot. 3/5 times 1/2. There's nothing for me to cancel out going across, so or going on the diagonal, so I'll just multiply straight across, and that becomes 3/10. And you're done. It's that easy. And no, you're not using a calculator even to check. Your brain is a calculator, so your brain will do just fine. Okay. Another example, 1/3 times 3/4, 3/4. Okay, here you could multiply straight across and you'll get 3/12. And then you would simplify to 1/4. That's one option. Another option is to do 1/3 times 3/4. And then you can cancel out the numbers on the diagonal, so you don't even have to simplify because you multiply straight across, you get 1/4. And you're done. That's all there is to it. Okay. Another one, 2/3 times 4, the whole number. And if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to go get Mrs. Mulligan or Mrs. Melton. You obviously put the 4/1 and you multiply straight across. Okay, and you get 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And you do not leave anything as an improper fraction. That would never be okay. Okay, so on the side, this is something I don't need to see. You can do it on the side. You would do your long division, and you would get 2 and 2/3. And you're done. 2 and 2/3. Done. Okay. All right. Something really easy. All right. Another example. Example. 5/6 times 3/5. Okay. Cancel things out. Make your life easier. Why not? If you can make your life easier, you should. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer is 1/2. If you can make your life easier, please do. Please do. Don't forget to make your life easier. Okay, now, next thing. Next thing you need to do, okay, is when you have a mixed number. So here's 1/4 times 8 and 4/9. Okay, if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause the video. Every example better be written down. So 1/4 times 8 times 9, okay. Again, if you don't know this, your multiplication tables, this is going to take you a while. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 4 is 76/9. The denominator stays the same. Okay. All right, you can simplify things. You can at least take a 2 out, and you would get 3/38. And then you can take another 2 out, and then you would get 19. So then your answer is 19/9, because it's 1 times 19 is 19, and then 1 times 9 is 9. So 19/9, you simplify, or you have to do the long division. So you do the long division, and you get 2 and 1/9. 2 and 1/9. Okay, 2 and 1/9. Pay attention. Make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, again, you're writing down every single example. 5 and 1/3 times 3, the whole number. Okay, you put the 3/1, and you make the 5 and 1/3 into an improper fraction. So you get 16/3 times 3 over 1. Of course you make your life easier. So the answer is 16 over 1, or just 16. See? Definitely make your life easier if you can. Make sure you do that. Okay? Obviously, if you can, do that. Now, here's another example. 3 and 1/4 times 2 and 2/3. I do not want to see anyone do 3 times 2. Nope, 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 nope. You must put them into improper fractions. You have to, 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 all the time. You have to. Improper fractions all the time. Improper fractions all the time. Okay? Be smart. Improper fractions all the time. Be smart. Okay, so when you're multiplying mixed numbers, you have to do improper fractions. So 12 times 1, or 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4 times 2, and you have to do this improper fraction, so it's 2 times 3 is 6, and then 8 over 3. Okay, you cancel things out, make your life easier. 13 times 2 is 26 over 3. Again, do the long division on the side. I don't need to see it. And again, if you do not know your multiplication tables, this is going to take you a while. So your answer is 8 and 2/3. 8 and 2/3. And you circle your answer. You need to make sure you remember to use the improper fractions, or you're going to get the wrong answer. You're going to get the wrong answer. Okay, so the problem I want you to do for class, this isn't a long video because again, half of this is review because you've had fractions before. So the problem for class, make sure I see every example written down, or these problems are going to get a whole lot longer, or the videos are going to get longer. So you've 9 and 7/9 times 7 and 3/4. Okay? See you next class.